Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix Instagram Notes feature missing. Now if this sounds helpful, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you can do if you don't see the Instagram Notes, make sure that you've updated the app of Instagram. Search for Instagram on the Play Store and the App Store and make sure that you updated the app. The other thing that you can also do is if you tap on this Instagram logo, you can try to join the beta version right here. You should have an option of join right here. Beta versions are the latest and test versions of any kind of applications which has all the latest features. After you do these two steps, if you still don't have the features of Notes, you can try to report a problem to Instagram. To do that, firstly take a screenshot of the Notes section. Tap on the message section on the top right and the notes option should have shown right here, but if yours doesn't, you can take a screenshot first and then tap on the profile icon on the top bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right, tap on settings, head over to help and tap on report a problem. Now after that, you can remove this default screenshot and then tap on gallery to add in the screenshot that you just took. And then you can type in something like this or maybe add your own and then tap on next on the top right. Now after you do these few steps, you should be able to get the feature of Instagram Notes on your account. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe, share, and I'll be back with more interesting videos similar to this.